Mechana Cuckoo Clock Island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Yes!
Your destination is Mechana Cuckoo Clock Island. That sounds fun. It is fun. But unfortunately, the big cuckoo clock there has mysteriously stopped telling time. Poor cuckoo clock. Because the clock has stopped, everything on the island has stopped too.
Not good.
Your mission is to get the cuckoo clock to tick-tock again. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Mechana Cuckoo Clock Island!
It's just like the Island Owl said. Everything on the island has stopped moving.
Over there! It's the cuckoo clock.
I see it! There's the big hand and the little hand. Don't you just love clocks with all those numbers racks?
Numbers? Yeah, sure. Numbers are fun.
Hey! Some of the numbers are missing. That has to be why the clock isn't working.
I don't think so, Mouse. I am sure that missing numbers are not the reason the cuckoo has stopped working.
No?
No.
You must be right, Komodo. You know so many things.
That I do. For instance, I know that a Mechana Cuckoo clock has a Mechana Cuckoo bird inside its belly.
Do you mean there's a bird in there? No way!
Sasquatch, wait! Mechana Cuckoos have very sensitive stomachs.
Woohoo! Little cuckoo bird! Hello!
Oh no, the Mechanadors! Sasquatch, duck!
Duck? I thought you said it was a bird, not a duck.
It's the cuckoo bird. It's trying to open the doors.
Maybe it wants to tell us how to fix the clock.
Nope. Those doors are stuck shut.
It's okay, Cuckoo Bird. We'll get the doors open for you.
Looks like we need some kind of tool to pry the doors apart.
A tool? That sounds like a job for Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa! Hi-ya! Nope. My disguise! How did that get in there? Aha! One straight and sturdy Mechana screwdriver to the rescue!
Handy dandy tool time.
You know, next time, you might want a duck.
Right.
Uh-oh! The cuckoo bird is flying away!
We'll never get the cuckoo clock to work if its cuckoo bird flies away. We have to catch it.
But the bird's so high in the sky. How would we catch up to it?
Flying high in the sky is my kind of job. Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Unicorn is the coolest!
Yeah!
Where are you going, Cuckoo Bird?
Cuckoo, cuckoo!
A Mechana number tree? Did you leave me here on purpose?
Cuckoo!
I get it!
You're trying to tell me that we need to pick the numbers from the tree and put them back on the clock, aren't you? Cuckoo! Come on, let's go tell the others.
What's the matter, Rex?
Okay, I'll admit it. I don't like this mission very much because... I'm not very good with numbers.
That's okay. You're really good at other things. You're the best lifter and digger.
I know, but I've had lots of practice doing that stuff.
Then maybe you just need a little practice with numbers. Look! Unicorn is back!
I think the cuckoo bird wants us to replace the missing numbers on the clock.
Cuckoo! That was my idea, too!
I'm sure that replacing numbers won't fix the problem.
Well, I think it's worth a try.
But how would we even figure out what numbers we need?
I know! Clocks have 12 numbers. We just need to count from 1 to 12, and then we'll know what numbers are missing.
And get some good practice, too.
I'll start counting. 1, 2...
3.
4. 4 is there, and after 4 comes...
5. 5 comes after 4. Cuckoo! Hey, wait, the 5 isn't there.
No number 5, but number 6 is all set.
And 7. Come on, Rex. What's after 7?
8, right? 8!
Then comes 9. But look! The 9 is missing too.
Yup, but I see the 10.
11 is okay, and so is the...
12!
Animal Mechanicals, this clock is missing numbers 5 and 9. Mechana, can we replace them?
We animal mechanical can!
Come on, Cuckoo Bird. Let's grab those numbers and fix that clock. 5. 9.
All right!
I am still doubtful these missing numbers will make any difference at all.
But we have to try.
Nobody's tall enough to reach way up there.
Someone is, if they stretch.
Oh, right. I can stretch that far. Sasquatch! Mechana stretchy!
Stretching like a big rubber monkey.
First to the 5. And now for the 9. Okay, Cuckoo Clock. Start tick-tocking. It's not working.
I told you, those numbers are not the problem.
Oh, well. I guess I was wrong.
Something doesn't seem quite right to me. 6, 7, 8, 6, 10. Wait! The numbers are the problem! Look! There are 2 number 6s on the clock. That number 9 is upside down.
Rex is right. See? 6, 9.
Look! It's working! Look! Everything's moving again! We did it!
Mouse, I owe you a big apology. Missing numbers were exactly the problem. You were right all along.
Thanks, Komodo, but I couldn't have solved the problem without Rex.
Then you're both number experts.
Woohoo!
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Mechana, can we go to the number tree and practice counting more numbers?
We animal mechanical can!
Trash Masher Island. Animal Mechanical Mission Time! Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl.
Very big mission today. Your destination is Trash Masher Island. Trash Masher Island is where all the broken cogs, gears, and parts go to be recycled.
Recycled? What does that mean?
It means turning old junk into new stuff.
The Mechana beaver uses his giant tail to mash all sorts of broken parts into brand new cogs and gears.
A recycling Mechana beaver? Cool!
What's so great about recycling?
Oh, recycling is definitely great, Sasquatch. But there's a problem. None of the trash is getting recycled. Your mission is to find out what the problem is and fix it before the island fills up with junk. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go! Woo-hoo!
Yes!
Here we are, Trash Masher Island.
Wow! Look at the trash bin train.
What's in these things anyway?
Sasquatch, be careful. Those trash bins are filled with junk.
Careful, Komodo. These trash bins are filled with junk.
Yes, I know.
Junk that's going to be recycled.
It's so exciting. It starts out as useless junk, but then it gets turned into something shiny and new.
And useful.
Seems like a lot of trouble to me. Why not just throw it away and buy new stuff?
Throw it where? These bins are already so full, they're overflowing.
And if we don't figure out why the recycling has stopped, the whole island will be filled with junk.
First, we need to find the Mechana beaver.
I can't see the beaver anywhere. I wish I was taller.
I am taller, and I can't see either. If only I could jump.
Or fly.
Exactly what I was thinking, Komodo. I'll rise to this task. Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Unicorn is the coolest!
Woohoo!
There he is! I see the giant beaver. Follow the tracks that way.
Let's go, team!
I wonder why the trash bins aren't moving on the track.
Look! The track is broken!
Ah!
No wonder the beaver isn't recycling. The trash bin train can't deliver the broken parts to him.
It'll take someone super strong to bend these tracks back into shape.
Strong? That sounds like my kind of challenge. Rex! Mechana strong!
Strong with that titanium Tyrannosaurus!
Uh-oh.
Sorry, gang. I guess I was a little too strong.
Now what do? We certainly can't deliver all this junk to the beaver if the track is broken.
Hey! I think I have an idea! Sasquatch, can you grab that broken ladder from the trash?
But it's trash.
I know, but what seems like trash to one person...
Is a piece of track to someone else. Good thinking, Mouse. We'll use the ladder to fix our track.
That's what I call recycling.
Recycling is cool!
I get it. taking something old and using it in a new way. That is cool.
Okay, everyone. Now let's get this trash bin train rolling. Push!
Why walk when you can ride?
Careful, Sasquatch!
Whoa.
Hold on! Tight.
Next time, I think I better hold on tight.
This is the end of the line, which means that is the Mechana Beaver.
It looks like the trash bins tip their junk into that funnel.
Which pours the pieces into that mold.
Island Owl said that the beaver pounds out new parts with his giant tail.
I like the pounding part.
But his tail is missing.
Maybe that's why he isn't recycling.
I think I found the problem. Look, here's his tail.
It's broken. With all that trash mashing, I guess it just wore out.
Oh, I wish there was something we could do to help.
Wait a minute. Aren't we animal mechanicals? Animal mechanicals can do anything!
I know. What if we use bits and pieces from the trash bins to build the beaver a new tail?
You mean recycle old junk into something new?
That's exactly what I mean. Come on, everyone. Start looking for pieces we can use to build a new beaver tail. Let's see what we've got.
It'll make a perfect tail.
Now we just need to attach all the pieces together. But how?
We need some kind of tool.
If you don't mind, I think I'm the animal mechanical for this job. Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa! Nope. I wondered where that was. One rough and rugged riveter to the rescue.
Handy dandy tool time.
Go, Komodo!
You did it, Komodo! The Mechana Beaver has a new recycle tail!
All right, everyone. If we work together, we can give the beaver his new tail. 1, 2, 3, lift!
A perfect job! Now we just have to see if it works.
Good news! It works!
I noticed.
Yay!
The Mechana Beaver's recycling again!
Animal mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Oh!
What are those?
These are shiny new Mechana medals.
Well, what do you know? The beaver made us each a special recycled medal.
Thanks!
Wow, that looks like the most fun ever! Mechana, can we stay and help the beaver pound and mash and recycle all this trash?
We
Animal Mechanical can!
It's pounding time!